Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone around the world, in Malaysia, in India. We have here Miss Rajvin Kaur. She is very special person who is finalist Miss Amazing Malaysia. And she is life coach. She is laughter yoga coach for international level. She is ambassador of laughter yoga and she is counselor also, and she gives regular talks everywhere in Malaysia and in India. Today we have invited her to discuss on management of physiotherapy and how to manage nasal discharge and how to manage all that medical terms. I hope you will be able to understand what is all that. That is what Rajvin Kaur will be explaining. I don't know much about the nasal issues, post nasal issues. She will explain, and you will be able to understand what it is all about when we are undergoing certain physical condition. So, over to Rajvin Kaur, and she will explain to you what is all this about. Hello,
So,
Rajvin. You are welcome over on this Mavin Global Mavin Learning and Training platform. So,
so,
welcome, Rajvin. Yes.
so before I start,
Yes.
um, so before I start, physiotherapy in post-nasal drip can be as a finalist for Miss Amazing Malaysia Season 2 and a laughter yoga coach and a motivational speaker. I believe that post-nasal physiotherapy and post-nasal management is important when you have the right people around you, when you have laughter and smiles. Special thanks to special thanks to Dr. Nupur and Dr. Nupur and Dr. Shabana for giving me this opportunity as a baby trainer to uh, to to deliver my talk on uh, previous month's talk on physiotherapy day, which was on 8th September. So today I will talk to you about something that I am going through myself, physiotherapy and post-nasal drip. What, ladies and gentlemen, what is physiotherapy? Physiotherapy is a range of motions and range of motions that can improve lung functions and can improve your vigor and vitality and can stabilize your movement. Now, what is chest physio? Chest physio is done where when you have post nasal drip like myself. Um, when you have post nasal drip, chest physio is you have you have when you have chest physiotherapy is to do with your when you have a cough, you can do chest physiotherapy. Chest physiotherapy is an area where patients with cerebral palsy develop, patients with cardiopulmonary, patients with high heart rate like myself, and uh, patients with sensitive allergic rhinitis. So, now what is actually post nasal drip? Post nasal drip is a condition where it affects your breathing after a flu. After a common flu, it 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 can affect your breathing very badly, and you can get affected by it, especially at night. And this is what I'm going to share today. Ladies and gentlemen, I've already covered chest physio, what is post-nasal drip, and how I'm going to cover how it happens, uh, and then how we what causes it, how it happens, and what is the treatment, and what is the home remedies for all. Especially India is a cold country. Sometimes we have winter. We can develop a flu anytime. So, what is post nasal drip? Post nasal drip is a condition where you you can get after a flu. You can get persistent cough, and persistent blocked nose caused by chronic sinusitis and chronic sinusitis and other respiratory tract infections. So how many the question you may ask me, how many types of post-nasal drip there are? There are two types of post-nasal drip. Number one is number one is normal post-nasal drip. Number two is seasonal post-nasal drip. Seasonal post-nasal drip, you can have it by seasons, and normal post-nasal drip, you can have it all year long. All year long, it is a chronic sinusitis. How to then treat it? How to then treat it? You can go and see a doctor, lung specialist, physiotherapist, or for your nasal congestion. You can see a physiotherapist. You can see an ENT doctor. They can give you saline. They can give you many types of different medications that will help you. If that medication do not help you, you can also try home remedies like teas. You can also try relaxation techniques. You can also try uh, relaxation techniques. You can also try honey. You can also try different teas and foods and mix vapor up and all different types of food that uh, can soothe your throat. It is mainly caused by the irritation behind the throat, behind your sinuses. Sinuses comes from the nose here, goes down to the right down to the membrane. You When you have excessive amount of phlegm, that causes uh, that causes mucus. Excessive amount of phlegm causes mucus, and certain foods have to be avoided. What are the food that need to be avoided during this condition is milk, spicy foods, and anti-allergy. So, how you cure your post-nasal drip is as I mentioned earlier, go and see a doctor, have honey, have tea, find people who bring out the best in you, not the stress in you, minimize your stress, and also laughter yoga. We will come to that shortly. So before that, I would ask, how many of you have this post nasal drip? I'm sure Nupurji, you just had recovered from flu, And it's very, very painful and irritating to have this view while working, or when you're working along with many people, especially when you stay indoors. When you're outdoors, you're fine. When indoors, it can cause you anxiety and cause you chronic fatigue and all kinds of things. Hormonal imbalance also can be one of the causes. So I would recommend to you laugh and be happy always to avoid postnasal drip. So keep coming plants, keep happy plants in your in your in your garden. Like for me, I have indoor plants that can help me soothe myself when I am in this condition. So if I can do it, so can you. Next, we will come to laughter yoga and deep breathing for post nasal drip. All that I'm sharing today, ladies and gentlemen, is my personal experience. I'm sharing because have learned I have learned this over the past 3 weeks since my caregiver went went away from the 23rd to the 15th, and now she's back home and a little bit better, but I'm on spirometer. So I hope that I get better soon. But nevertheless, I'm still in positive spirits, attending my courses, attending my talks every day. So now we come to the next point of laughter yoga. So how do we treat laughter yoga? How do we treat post nasal drip by laughter yoga? Is by doing deep breathing. Okay, when you inhale through your nose, exhale out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha.
Yeah. And then the other one is a coughing technique. When you have post nasal drip, what you must do, you present that you're inhaling, okay? Inhale and cough. Pretend like you are coughing. Then it gives you clearance of the throat. Then you have soha breathing and laughter. So and then so hum. So hum. Yeah. Very good, very good. Yeah. So now before I continue this talk, that is laughter yoga for both nasal drip and breathing exercise. Now before and also humming. Hum. Close your ears. Hum.
Hmm.
Ha 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 ha
Ha ha ha.
ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha.
And one more exercise that I learned, good for post nasal drip, is lion laughter. Very good, very good. Yay! So now we are going to do, before I continue this talk and question and answer, we are going to do we are going to do positive affirmation. When you have post-nasal drip, when you have post-nasal drip, surround yourself with surround yourself with positive people. Don't let the don't let the energy drain you out. Because you say, I am healthy.
I am healthy.
I am breathing well.
I am eating well.
I am breathing well. Breathing.
I'm breathing well.
And I am going to uh, co- overcome, overcome belief and conquer that there is no more post-nasal dream. So that's why I always think positive, and that's why I I I have to always think positive. So that is why that is helping me, and also my Guru Simran uh, meditation. The next one we are going to do progressive muscle relaxation for post nasal drip. Okay, so progressive muscle relaxation. Relax yourself, lie down, lie down, lie down, and be very calm and very peaceful. Allow your nose to be open, nose to be open. Think positive and happy. Think positive and happy and joyful. Think positive and happy and joyful. Imagine your passage is open, open. Your airways are clear, your lungs are clear, everything is clear. In five, four, three, two, one. Open your eyes with your nasal passage clear, everything else clear. You are fine, you are calm and recovered. So, yay, yay. So now we are going to the next one, the next treatment. Before I, before I end this talk, one more aspect of this post nasal treatment you can do is you can buy the spirometer. You can blow. You can blow whenever you are phlegm. You can blow out. You can blow out using a spirometer. You can blow your lung, improve your lung capacity, improve improve your lung capacity, improve your lung capacity, and improve your volume of your lungs. The other one is also anulom vilom breathing. Blow out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yay! Very good, very good. Yay! So, uh, so before I end, I would like to say physiotherapy and post-nasal drip is very, very important. Physiotherapy and post-nasal drip is very, very important for the lung capacity and for all the muscles to function. So once you have post-nasal drip, you become weak and you become an anxiety. So it's very, very important to treat the anxiety. So post-nasal drip also can cause gastroesophagus reflux disease, GERD. So GERD, you can you can you can take Gaviscon, or you can go and see, you can take omeprazole, or you can go and see an if symptoms persist, you can go and see a general practitioner or sinus doctor. This is just sharing from my experience. Um, before I continue, and Nupurji, do you have any questions?
Yes. So it was a very good experience that you shared, Rajvin, and a lot of many simple tricks how to manage your nasal issues. I know that you were suffering from congestion and nasal issues and cold and cough. And we can see and experience now also some remains are left. So that will also you will overcome over a period of time with the help of physiotherapy and all the exercises that you are doing. So nowadays, what is happening is many people are suffering from cold and cough and nasal issues. So how to prevent that?
See, like I mentioned to you, like tea, any
Yeah.
types of tea, chamomile,
Ah,
uh, any types of chamomile,
okay,
uh, chamomile coffee, and coffee just half at night. Coffee
okay,
also,
okay.
uh, don't take much milk, because if you take much milk, you are going to, the throat is going to irritate. Take warm drinks, warm warm
Soups.
warm soups, and all, and uh put air humidifier in your house, put anxiety garden. Like this cough, this post nasal drip can cause anxiety. So from my personal experience, I'm now on a very, very low dosage of antidepressant, because it it caused me a lot of anxiety. So now now the tablet is finished. I have to take some more until the cough stops. But most importantly, take hot drinks and hot tea and hot soups to be well, and mix vapora and machines to help you breathe properly and breathe well.
Great.
And
Yes.
also, you need to buy, like the party packs, the party blower,
Mm.
when you have red children,
Mm.
you just blow, and your lungs will expand.
Yeah.
If you don't have the blower, you can use a paper. Use the paper and just blow.
Wow. That's so good. You have given a lot of tips to avoid cold cough, and you have to increase your immunity level also by eating right food, right? And then my next question is, you were suffering with this nasal problem, and your lungs were congested. Um, how you also mentioned about you were doing some exercise, but in between you were unable to, you know, cough it out. So
Yeah.
what you were using? to relieve all your congestion?
I am using I'm using nasal spray,
Hmm.
saline.
Hmm.
I am using triflometer.
Okay.
I'm taking cough medicines,
Okay.
anti allergies, and taking I'm also taking as I mentioned, I this
Okay.
cough can cause anxiety, so I was on anxiety because of cough. And when I cry or anything get worse, when I worry, so I'm trying not to worry myself.
Okay. Wow. That's so good. That beautiful tip and really very enlightening tip for those who are suffering from cold and cough and nasal problems. And then you have discussed about the meditation and the exercise, laughter yoga exercise. That was amazing. Even I also did it. So it is really, it worked like, you know, how it is working on our lungs, on our nose, and on our congestion. So it is very beautiful and very enlightening exercises. I hope all the viewers out here will be able to relate to it and they will be able to get over this problem when they are facing it.
So,
So,
last message to the world.
yes,
As a finalist for this amazing Malaysia season 2, I would like to say that overcome, believe, and conquer all your post-nasal drip like 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 I have.
hmm,
So even if you have it, think of it as your second nature. Don't think of it as a big problem.
wow, that's amazing. This is the message to the world and message to Malaysia and message to India and all the countries who are watching this program.
And and if you cannot breathe at night, I suggest to consult a ear, nose and throat doctor
Yes.
or lung specialist like I did. I'm yet to go to a second one. So I'm just gonna, because this has been going on for 3 weeks already. So slowly recovering, because for people with cerebral palsy adults, it takes longer time. And for old people, please be careful. Do not take cold drinks. And
Wow. That's amazing. Amazing
please,
that you are just asking the patient to go to the doctor also. So you have to go to doctor to get a proper diagnosis done, right? Right, Rajvin?
yes,
And the doctor who are specialist of the lungs or pulmonary specialist, you should go there.
yeah, like myself, I was on steroids for a while.
Okay.
That was that is a short term because it can cause other problems. But
Ah,
now it's my nose.
now you are
So
healed and hearty, right?
yes,
All
heal and
yes, and
heal and
you have completely recovered from the uh, cold and cough and congestion, and we wish you all the best for healthy life, right, Rajvin? So I'm
yes,
very grateful and thankful to you for being on this show, and your
yes.
final message
So
to your final message to the world.
final message to the world
Yes,
is be happy, be happy. As a finalist for Miss Amazing Malaysia Season 2, as a trainer who is recovering from post-nasal drip, my advice to all those people having this post-nasal drip or common common flu right now. It is very common in women. Women have a lot of breathing problems, especially anxiety and everything that will cause post-nasal drip. So my advice, stay away from all the people who bring out the stress in you, but be with people who bring out the best in you. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, recover, recover, relax, laugh, and enjoy. That is my motto for all those people who are suffering like myself from post-nasal drip. And if we laugh more, we will be able to recover, recover from this in no time. Thank you and Sat Sri Akal. And I'll see you on Thursday for
You. Wow. Yes.
physiotherapy and chronic pain talk. Thank
Yes.
you.
We will be meeting soon for physiotherapy and how to manage with physiotherapy and know more about physiotherapy in our next talk. Right now, thank you, Rajvin, for last message and for sharing with us what all you have gone through. And this is what we would like to say that yes, Rajvin has recovered uh, from her congestion, her cough, her cold, with so much of this thing that she was brave, she was courageous, she was open to all the medical facilities. Plus, she was also using alternative healing therapy like laughter yoga and some exercises which were shared to her by her physiotherapist. So, I would like to request all the audience out here and around the world, whenever you have such problem, don't hesitate to take help from medical practitioner. Plus, you should incorporate your diet, your exercise regime, and your
And
alternative healing system so that you have
laughter, and also laughter yoga.
yes, and laughter yoga also so that you can recover faster. And with this note and a message from Rajvin to be strong and fight courageously, and you will overcome any kind of disease or any kind of physical problem with this, even mental problem with this, with these few tips that Rajvin has shared. So thank you, Rajvin, very much. We will see you next day, next week, next day, maybe on just 2 3 days after this, and we will definitely work with you and know more about physiotherapy. So thank you, Rajvin. Thank you, all the audience out here and around the world, all the audience in Malaysia and India. Thank you, Chavana. Thank you, Mavin team. And thank you, Rajvin, for being with us. And thank you, all the viewers who are on this platform. Thank you very much. Namaste.